guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make bistec. I truly don't know how to say it in English right now. It's a type of meat. I remember that my mom used to love to eat this, and it was one of my favorite dishes that she used to make. So today I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's very simple and it's very delicious. So I hope that you guys enjoy it, and if you do enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need Sazon, Adobo, any type of oil, cooking wine, ground black pepper, garlic, onion, and beef steak. Now grab any bowl that you would like to use, put the meat inside of it, and just add all the ingredients that I let you know that you needed in the beginning of the video. Now add your cooking wine to it. Now cover it with plastic wrap or aluminum foil. If you're cooking it the same day, then just let it marinate inside the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. And if you're not cooking it the same day, if you're going to cook it the next day, then you can just leave it overnight. I forgot to mention it in the beginning of the video, but you do need an onion and green pepper. And you're just going to need to just cut it into pieces. Now put the heat on medium and place the meat on the pan, and also add the liquid that the meat was marinating with. Then add a little bit more of cooking wine to just cover the meat. I'm forgetting everything. I also forgot to tell you guys that you need sofrito in the beginning of the video. So I usually put a spoonful or just a little bit more of a spoonful. Now add the onions and the green peppers that you chopped. And now all you have to do is flip over the meat every 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely done. And this is how you make bistec. I hope that you love this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of any recipes that you would like for me to try, please let me know down below in the comments section. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.
It's so cute with the teeny tiny little nose. Look at her nose. Oh my gosh, look at the baby. Oh my god. Oh, eat the poopy. Stop it. Ma'am. You stop it.
I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all trying to knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. Everybody wanna play me. change me. Nobody ever gon' phase me. No fake accounts like KD.